Spice Math. That's right. We add it up, multiply it, man. Spice Math. Okay. A couple things we're gonna learn today. Spice Math. All right. Take some time, educate yourself. Spice Math. That's right. You won't believe it's just math. Come on.
Hi, I'm Ruth Doughton.
Hi, I'm Aaron Williams.
Hi, I'm Brandon Alexander.
Hi, I'm Kelvin Doughton.
Hello, I'm Lyndon Sincere.
We are your Spice Math tutors.
You won't believe it's just math. Just math.
Hello all, my name is Donessa Belgrave. Welcome to another episode of Spice Math. Today our topic is multiplication. This is geared to students in grade 2. Let's get into the video. What is multiplication? Multiplication is basically repeated addition. For example, if you have 2 times 3, you're adding the 2 to itself 3 times. Materials you will need for this video are your pencil, paper, or a notebook. Objectives. The objectives for today are students should be able to multiply using different numbers, know the different words or terms used while multiplying, use different examples to show your working, and lastly, know the multiplication sign. The multiplication sign looks like an X, and I'll show you it on the board. This is your multiplication sign. So whenever you see this sign, you know you need to multiply. Some terms used in multiplication are multiplication, multiply, or by. For example, multiply this number by this number. And lastly, times. 3 times 4. Now, look at what I'm doing on the board so you can understand 2 ways in which you can show your working when multiplying. My equation is 3 times 3. So the first way I'm going to show this is by doing repeated addition. I would have 3 times 3, and I would put 3 plus 3 plus 3. You may be asking yourself, how did I get this? Now, the first number is the number that you're working with. The second number is how many you need to have in the first number. So the first number is 3, so I know I have to have 3. How many 3s do I need to have? I need to have 3 3s. This is why I have 3 3s here. Now, let us add them together. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is equal to 9. Now, I skip counted to get my answer. If you're not able to skip count, now we'll move to the second way to help you to do your multiplication. So we're still going to use 3 times 3. So we have 3 times 3 up here. Now we need sets to show us because we need to multiply or add 1 by 1. So we have 3, the number that we're working with, and how many sets do we need? We need 3 sets. So I'm going to draw 3 sets here. And in each set, how many do I need? 3. So I'm going to put 3 check marks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count it. Now in this first one, I know it's 3 already, so I don't need to count 1, 2, 3. I can just start from the 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there you have the same answer, but you have 2 ways in which you can show your working. Now I would like us to work on some together. The first one that we're going to work on, you're going to be drawing sets for it. So get your pencil and your paper, and I want you to write 4 times 5 on your paper for me. Now I would write 4 times 5. And now we're using sets. The first number is the number that we have. The second number is how many sets we need to have. So let's draw 5 sets on our paper. You have it? Awesome. Now, how many objects do we need to have in each set? 4. That's correct. So you choose whatever shape you want and make sure you put 4 of that shape in each set. Are you finished? Awesome. Now let's count how many circles we have all together. Remember, the first one, we already know it's 4. So we're going to continue adding 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's our answer. Now we're going to go back to the first way where we use the repeated addition. Now this time our equation is 10 times 7. Please write that on your paper. Do you have it? Now let's put down our working. Now the first way we need to have 10, how many times? 7. So let's put it down on our paper. 10. All right, do you have 7? Now we need to count over to make sure we have 7. So let me count and we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have 7? No. 6 plus how many do I need to put here to give us 7? 6 plus 1. So I need to put another 10 here. Now it is time for us to skip count to see our answer. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Did you have 70? Awesome. Now it is time for us to do some practice on our own. But before we do some practice on our own, I would like you to look at the screen and I have a link here. There you can find various worksheets for you to practice. But before you do that, I need you to do these problems on the screen. Please try to do it on your own. Bye and see you next time.
Spice Math. That's right. You add it up, multiply it, man. Spice Math. Okay. A couple things we're gonna learn today. Spice Math. All right. Take some time, educate yourself. Spice Math. That's right. You won't believe it's just math. Come on. You won't believe it's just math.